The CRO price is moving up once more, all thanks to a recent announcement by Crypto.com and Trump Media. But what's this announcement all about, and can we expect further price pumps? Well guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Obsidian Swap and their recently launched Obsidian staking pool only for true diamond hands. Today, I was taking a look at my phone and out of nowhere, I got all kind of notifications, plus 10% for CRO. And when I opened the charts, we were trading almost at 17 cents. I was getting a bit of a deja vu, but we did get now a bit of a retracement for the CRO token. And currently, we're still up about 4%. So it's looking quite good still for the CRO token. The question though is, will in the next few hours, we hold this line over here, because that's the line in the cent where we need to get a nice bounce. But of course, then we take a look at the actual news. What truly happened, and is it actually going to be bullish also for the CRO token? So guys, let's dive directly into the news here. And what you can see, just in, Trump's Truth Social is teaming up with Crypto.com to launch the world first social media prediction market platform. A lot of things, guys, but luckily we do have some more information in a blog post. So, Truth Social to become world's first social media platform offering prediction markets via exclusive partnership with Crypto.com. And ladies and gentlemen, this ain't the first partnership between Trump Media and Crypto.com. For example, now you can earn CRO by posting tweets and playing within the Truth Social ecosystem. So, this guy's definitely extending once more on that existing partnership. But the prediction markets, that's truly new. And also prediction markets are currently a very hot market. For example, take a look at Kalshi, but also Polymarket. Anyways, let's dive a bit deeper here into the article. Today, Trump Media announced it will make prediction markets available on Truth Social through an exclusive arrangement with Crypto.com Derivatives North America, a CFTC-registered exchange and clearinghouse. Following the integration, Truth Social will be the first social media platform to offer its users technology to access embedded prediction market capabilities through CDNA. So that's the company here that will offer the prediction markets. Truth Social users will be able to trade prediction contracts related to major events and milestones, such as political elections, interest in inflation rate changes, commodity prices on gold and crude oil, events across all major sports leagues, and more, using the new product technology called Truth Predict. Prices will update in real time, allowing users to react instantly to developments in major current events. And this is much unlike, for example, the current sports betting, where once the game starts, you can no longer bet. But now, with these prediction contracts, once, for example, one team scores a goal, you will see that the chance of that team winning will increase, and therefore also the prediction prices for that team to win will increase. So you can also sell that prediction contract before the match even ends. So this enables basically a complete new world regarding prediction markets. The integration will begin beta testing live on Truth Social in the near future, followed by a full launch in the United States. Subsequently, Trump Media plans to launch the service globally though, once all the requisite requirements are met. And this, guys, will require a lot of different licenses also for Crypto.com. This can take some time. Truth Social and Truth Plus users will have Truth Gems, which are earned for interacting on the platforms, will be able to convert their gems into CRO digital currency and apply them to purchase those Truth Predict contracts. And this, guys, is absolutely huge for the CRO token. This basically will create additional demand also for the CRO token in the future. So yes, of course, there will be maybe some sell pressure because you can actually get CRO for free now. But now there also is a way to actually use the CRO directly on the same platform. So this, in my personal opinion, is quite huge, especially as maybe in the future, they might be able to purchase more CRO to do even more sports betting live on Truth Social. So this initiative between Trump Media and Crypto.com follows the recent establishment of a strategic partnership between the firms to introduce a CRO reward system on Truth Social and Truth Plus, as well as the announcement to establish the Trump Media Group CRO strategy company following a definitive agreement for a proposed business combination with Yorkville, a special purpose spec company sponsored by Yorkville, to form a digital asset treasury company focused on the acquisition of more and more CRO. Really exciting. As mentioned earlier, this has some impact also on the CRO price, but let's talk about that a bit more after a quick word of today's sponsor. Our sponsor Obsidian Swap completed their token generation event, the TGE for their own Obsidian token OBS, but now they're also working on more utility for the token. You can find out, for example, in the earn section. If you go to earn, then click fixed APR, you can have the fixed staking pool for Obsidian. You can see there are multiple staking periods. We've got 6 months, 12 months, and also 24 months for the true diamond hands. However, the pool is only limited. For example, the 24 month with 50% APR is already completely filled. So make sure, guys, you check out the 6 month and the 12 month for 18 or 28% APR respectively before they are completely filled. Anyways, let's talk some more about the CRO token, because we just learned that CRO will be powering those prediction markets on Truth Social. So fundamentally, guys, a big potential demand driver for the CRO token. And that also, I think, catched on because many people were buying CRO all the way up to about 17 cents. And yes, we had a bit of a retracement, but once more, we are moving up. And if I show you a different chart, I think this can be absolutely huge, because what we see here is basically a double bottom pattern here. What we have is a retracement. Then we create a bottom here on the daily candle. We show you the daily candle. I think it's a bit more clear. We do not include all the wicks. So on a daily candle here, we are going down. Then we're moving up and we hit the neckline here of the W. Then once more, we go down and we move up again. And then we go up and we even have a retest here of the neckline. And if we complete that neckline test, typically we do get a beautiful swing to the upside. And normally we also go back to where we started. We complete the W, and that, guys, is really what makes me so bullish. So I do believe that soon we will be going back to the ranges of about 17 cents. And not just based here on the double bottom pattern on this chart. We also have a different CRO chart. And let me show that one to you. You might have heard about this one as the 2021 fractal. And this one kind of predicted that we should be moving up once more to about 20 cents. You can see that this pattern has been rhyming throughout the last few weeks, basically since July. And yes, it's not perfect, but it is kind of giving you the right trend. And if we are now following this trend, you can see also back then quite a big candle to the upside. This is typically the start of more to come. So I do believe that maybe soon we'll see something like this until we're back on track, really, because that's kind of what happens all the time. We follow it, sometimes we deviate a little bit, and then we are back on track. But if we follow the overall trend, guys, I think soon we will be heading into a very, very exciting Q4, end of Q4, with November or Upvember, or whatever you want to call it, starting in just a few more days. And also the FOMC meeting tomorrow, where we'll learn more about the future interest rates by the Fed. So very exciting, guys. This chart is looking good. Also, this chart is looking good. And in general, I think we have to be happy that CRO is once more above 16 cents. What's going to be crucial in the upcoming days is keeping the momentum. CRO cannot just keep pumping based on this one news story here. What we need is also continuation, potentially, for Bitcoin going to a new all-time high. We need the government to end the shutdown so CRO can also get the ETF, and we can also see that treasury company. And also, guys, we have so many more things on the roadmap for Crypto.com that can help push the CRO price higher even more. This is still, guys, the fourth wave. We talked about that in our previous live stream, and I think it can be playing out. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest news regarding CRO and Crypto.com, don't forget to really strap in, guys, hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about that 4-wave cycle, I still have the old video over here, and it's still very relevant, so make sure you check it out.